Can't. Whoa.
It really is, you know. I know, I see it.
No.
We're gonna look down the road.
Yeah, I'll be second.
Oh, look at that.
Well, yeah, I'm pointing at it constantly.
Alien. Oh, what?
Not really watching it.
That's so weird. Anybody else can use it? The helicopter up there, I bet they're taking it.
No, they're just spying on us. It's just how frequent it is that's weird. What, of holding it?
Yeah, I want to take pictures. Look at a picture of that with the moon, it looks fucking awesome.
You can't get the right focus.
I did the other night and it
Yeah, maybe on yours. No, it's over there. What's going on?
Oh, we should go to Woonona.
Yeah, you can see flashes in there. Oh, it's Adam. I thought it was some weird hobo coming at us.
Oh, it's like hitting a boat, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, I am. Well, every time I look at it, the moon's in the shot, so that means the lightning should be too.
That one's better, I think.
I've never seen anything like this before.
You didn't even know.
Out of water. Should bring Mum. Bring Mum and see.
That one was good. You could see far with that one. Over there.
Get the water, did it?
Yeah, these ones are getting big. I think these ones are starting to come out of the clouds.
So, do you reckon we're going to storm tonight? Are they going that way or that way? The wind's going that way. No, the wind's going that way.
Whoa!
I saw that.
I think it's just electrical.
Actually, no, I promise the wind's going that way. Like this direction. Oh! Oh, bro. Zombie. What are you going to do with the other people who are five? No, I'm alive. No one will buy it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. like in Shawnee, have you seen Shawnee the movie? Oh, it's funny. Like they go to zombies so far on records at it, it's like that before. They get photos of the zombies like, wow, it's funny. You know, I got so whoa! I should have taken a house about it. Yeah, yeah. Did you see me walk right over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Over there, there's like a rock. And I heard like the waves going, and I was thinking of people, and this rock looks like a person doing that. And I was just getting the fuck out of it. I was like, fuck, I thought it was walking like fast. I'm like, go.
I've got a few people have the same idea as us.
Same idea as me. Yeah, it's probably going to be done. So far.